In a tiny village hugged by mountains, a boy peered at the heavens. His heart felt heavy in the quiet of dusk. Longing for a friend, he wished upon the twinkling stars. One evening, something strange caught his eye. A lonely cloud drifted above, curled up like a little dragon. It sighed, its shadow falling over the village, whispering secrets of lost journeys. Fear danced in the air as thunder rumbled. The small cloud shimmered, turning stormy gray. A call from far away echoed in the skies. With droopy wings, it trembled, lost and alone. The boy's heart ached for his cloudy companion. "You don't have to stay sad," he whispered. Courage sparked within him. "It's okay to go home," he encouraged gently. "Your family is waiting, just like I wait for a friend." The baby cloud looked up, eyes wide with hope. The winds called him back, wrapping around him like a warm embrace. With a deep breath, it soared into the sky. In a whirl of color, joy ignited its heart. It became a swirl of vibrant possibilities, ready to return. The boy waved, heart swelling with both happiness and sadness. A kiss of colors filled the air, promising a bond that transcended distance. Whenever rain fell, magic danced in the droplets. A swirl of colors graced the sky, holding memories of friendship, laughter, and love. He felt a warm glow in his heart, a reminder that his beloved friend was always painting the world above, vibrant and alive. The sky became a canvas, telling tales of joy and dreams. Each raindrop held a secret, each cloud shape a story of friendship. With each storm, he remembered. Through the storms of life, he knew they would always meet again, dancing together amongst the clouds.